Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 17th of June 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. So, who initiates startup for railways? A significant initiative in the field of innovation. So, the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Ashwani Vaishnav. So recently, Union Railway Minister Ashwani Vaishnav has launched Startup for Railway, an important initiative in the field of innovation. So aiming at bringing about innovative solution to problem like rail infrastructure, reduction of time between two trains and other passenger related issue. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which fintech startup recently launched unified payment interface service aimed at rural India in order to make financial service available to people in rural area? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is xpay.life. So recently the Bangalore-based fintech startup xpay.life, India's first blockchain-enabled transaction framework, launched its unified payment interface services targeted at rural India to make financial facilities accessible for people in rural areas. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which bank has launched its KCC Digital Renewal program, allowing eligible customer to renew their Kisan Credit Card accounts digitally? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Indian Bank. So recently the Indian Bank launched its KCC Digital Renewal scheme, enabling eligible customer to renew their Kisan Credit Card account by digital modes. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which country has overtaken Saudi Arabia to become India's second largest oil supplier? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Russia. So recently the Russia has overtaken Saudi Arabia to become India's second biggest supplier of oil behind Iraq as refineries snap up Russia crude available at a deep discount following the war in Ukraine. Okay, so now move to the next question. According to a recent report, the contribution of contactless payment to total face-to-face transaction will increase by how many times? To 16% in December 2021. So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 6 times. So according to the white paper released by Visa and Worldwide Line India, the contactless payment contribution to total face-to-face transaction grew more than 6 times to 16% in December 2021 compared to the 2.5% in December 2018. Okay, so now move to the next question. What percentage of the grant will be provided through the National Transport for All Startup according to Indian Railway Innovation Policy? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 50%. So recently the Indian Railway has launched a policy by the name Startup for Railway in Rail Bhavan in New Delhi, which will bring scale and efficiency in field of operation, maintenance as well as the creation of infrastructure through the participation of very large and updated startups ecosystem. So basically this platform will provide an opportunity for the startup to connect with the national transporter. So basically out of more than in phase 1, 11 problem statements such as rail infrastructure, headway reduction, etc. have been taken up. So the startup will get support from the national transporter in form of 50% capital grant scale and assure market and ecosystem. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which of the following years does India plan to fully launch 5G service? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 2023. So recently India will get a full-fledged 5G service by March 2023 as the auction of 5G spectrum will be completed by July end. Okay, so now move to the next question. According to a recent report, the microfinance industry will be worth how much in financial year 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 2.85 trillion. So recently the gross loan portfolio of the microfinance sector in India increased by 10% to rupees 2.85 trillion as of March 31st, 2022 compared to the rupees 2.59 trillion a year ago. Okay, so now move to the next question. IBBI has reduced the completion of liquidation from 19 days to how many days in special cases according to proposed amendment to the liquidation regulation. So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 30 days. So the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India has proposed a slew of changes to the liquidation regulation to firm out of dispensaries and make it liquidator more accountable under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. So basically under the proposed change, a committee of creditors may act as a stakeholders consultation committee, which is typically set up within 60 days from the date of commencement of liquidation to monitor the process from the beginning. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which payment institution has collaborated with Go Digital General Insurance Limited to offer shop insurance to small and medium-sized business? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Fino Payment Bank. So the Fino Payment Bank Limited has partnered with Go Digital General Insurance Limited, one of the India's fast-growing general insurer, to provide small and medium business owners with shop insurance coverage. Okay.